I can't figure it out. No, I got the.
outside.
Okay, her chemo is here. I mean, her results
Here's
are here.
a
I'm gonna leave it up
scrapbooking
here.
kit for you, so you
Can I have the
can
last year's
make a
chart?
scrapbook and document your journey with cancer. Not cancer, no.
But he just get one. Yeah. He get something.
The last is out.
It's like Amy's bone. But it's like our whole thing is.
Oh, yeah.
They go
He didn't make it there. He didn't make it there yet.
cancer.
Oh, okay.
So far,
Similar
so
treatment.
far,
Brody?
he's been really good.
Brody?
And
Good.
he created a program called
He's
Scrap
been really
Cancer.
good.
And that's sort
Awesome.
of what his auntie had brought him a big, thing of scrapbooking, and he thought it was a great thing to do. So he wants to spread it around the
Sharing with
world.
all the kids? Oh, that's wonderful.
And it has everything that you could need in that actual kit.
My, that's wonderful.
Lots of goodies.
Wow.
You want to explain what the different things are?
What a great project.
It is actually. Here we go.
That's it. Oh, thank you.
There's a camera to take pictures. Lots of paper.
The Spider-Man. The Spider-Man. Oh, y'all.
Some fun stuff to play with in there, hey?
Yeah, man. Especially he get 4 brothers too.
Oh, really?
Yep. He get one brother.